As you know, the gym is now closed, but that doesn't mean that I am closed for business. I can actually bring the gym to you. Now, believe me when I tell you that I can bring the best equipment to you to train, and this is one of the bits of kit that I used to get in the current condition that I'm in now. It's the Powerball from Everlast. Now, I owe this thing my life. I have been using this now for the past 20 years, and the reason I have these bad boys is because of the Powerball from Everlast. I mean, if ever there was one piece of kit that you needed to get in this kind of condition, it's this piece of kit. So I'm just going to demonstrate a few exercises here for you. This is one of the exercises you can do with this bit of, it's actually really difficult, this bit of kit. This is basically how I got these pectoral muscles. Some of the other exercises you can do are the classic bow and arrow pull, which is obviously how I got these biceps over the past 20 years working with the power bar. Also, some of the exercises you can do, squats obviously. This is great. This is how I got these legs on me here. So you can squat down with it like that, and it really gets the thighs burning. This one really gets the thighs burning. And a great exercise. And you're thinking, what about the guy's back? The guy's back's massive. I know my back's massive. This is one of the exercises you can use for your back as well. Yes. Deadlift. All the way down. All the way up. Then over wrong. So, as you can see, I'm blowing as well. I'm blowing out my ass with this. So one bit of kit, I can come round to your house and I can get you in this condition probably in the next 12 weeks. So give me a shout, hit me up, home training with the Powerball.